Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the crisper pan glass insert in the Frigidaire refrigerator. It's going to be very easy repair. Should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. When you open up the package, you're going to get a new crisper pan glass insert. This crisper pan glass insert is located at the top of the bottom drawer in the fresh food section. It mounts on the cover frame and serves as a shelf and as a crisper cover. The main reason to replace the crisper pan glass insert is if it's broken and won't stay in place. To get to the part, we need to open the fresh food door. Alright, so we are at the bottom of the fresh food section, and we need to pull out this upper crisper. Then I'm going to pull out halfway the bottom crisper. And then I'm going to lift up on the glass, and we're gonna remove it. This is the old crisper pan glass insert next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. I'm bringing in a new crisper pan glass insert, and I'm going to install it on the top of the frame, slide it back all the way, and I'm going to lower it down, support it from the bottom and put it down. Then I'm going to remove this tag on the top, and we can push in the bottom crisper. Next, I'm going to install the upper crisper. Slide it on the rails and push it in. And now we can close the door. Plug the fridge back in and make sure it's cooling. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other videos available on our site, on Facebook, on YouTube, and on Instagram.